Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. After we visited the Mangili Tindan Historical Nature Park, we are going to the next viewpoint. This is the highest altitude you can achieve through the road, approximately 1200 meter above the sea level. After this, everything downhill. Right now, 8:30 in the morning. In this altitude, you can see lot of mist rolling down. There is no sunlight. I highly recommend come over here after 11 o'clock so you will get a clear view. This type of misty weather you cannot fly your drone. I'm very disappointed. Because of that we are looking for new viewpoint so we can fly our drone. Fortunately every 1 kilometer you have a viewpoint. Some viewpoint have a beautiful restaurant with a resting place with a coffee shop. In case of heavy rain and bad weather, that kind of place will be your sanctuary. You can hide yourself over there. Some more on the way we have a damaged road. Since we are going down the hill, the visibility is very good. Me and Kim Sung really enjoy the ride. It is a beautiful view. Everyone should experience this kind of bike ride journey. I really loved it. Right now is 9 a.m. We found the next viewpoint. It is called the Tree of Us. It was a very good name. The altitude of this place 850 meter above the sea level. In this place you have a small shop and second floor view deck which is amazing for 360 view. Lot of bikers come over here and stop for the photo shoot and enjoy the view. I can clearly say this place is bikers heaven. I met some people over here. They are a little bit shy for the camera, but they are very friendly. That is the best view you have.
I'm from Pampanga.
Pampanga?
Yeah. Alaminos, Pangasinan.
Okay, that's cool. This is the famous Tree of Us viewpoint. From the second floor, you can see the 360 view. Looks fantastic. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. When I came over here, the wind speed was more than 70 km per hour. I was really worried my drone can handle or not. But still, I have no choice. I came so far, so I'm going to give a try. It was a beautiful location. As you can see, the mist rolling down from the top of the mountain. And you can see there is a too much wind going on over here. My drone barely handling it. It have a absolutely gorgeous 360 view. After this, I tried to bring back my drone. As you can see, the wind is taking my drone different direction. Clearly all you can see, I'm struggling very hard to bring back my drone. At this point, I almost lost my drone over here. That was a very close call to the tree. I'm fighting back to bring up the drone. This struggle almost like a 30 minutes. I'm only 200 meters away from the drone, but still I can't even manage to bring back. This is the first time I'm experiencing this kind of wind condition, high wind situation. It was a terrifying moment and worst experience right now. Either way, I learned something. After the 20-minute struggle, I able to bring back the drone to my location. Thank God. It was a terrifying experience. I won't forget it. It's very windy condition, too much wind. This is the first time I'm trying my GoPro and DJI together. This is DJI Mic 1. I don't know how the wind condition handling. You can see later the product. Since too much wind, I can't even fly my drone over here. So we are going to leave. Before we leave, we want to go to the place. The place is very nice. I want to explore a little bit more. I'm going to check it out. Let's see how it goes. It's a beautiful place. There is no doubt about it. I highly recommend for everyone. Look at that. It's beautiful.
My name is Kim Sorayo and
Okay. No, I'm here with Kim Song. So we are going to explore the little bit mountain over there. It looks so beautiful. We are going to explore that place. Okay. Look at it. It's beautiful. Really beautiful. So, it's too much wind. Very heavy. Very heavy wind. Look at the 360 over here. Absolutely fantastic. See that? Very staggering. Kim Sung looked like flying. He tried to fall down. Because of the wind, he couldn't even fall down. He's floating. At last. I don't dare to go there. See, even though it's nice view, I don't dare to go over there. We are happy. At least we have some shot over here. We are leaving now. But definitely we will come back. It is a different kind of experience, which I didn't even expect this one. Different kind of experience. The shopkeepers say, past 2 days, this kind of wind blowing like this, we are unlucky. Yeah, for killing time, I'm eating cup noodles, spicy seafood. It's really nice. Only 40 pesos. You should try it. For this climate, it's really warm and fantastic. Nice taste. You can have your cup noodle with a awesome viewpoint. Nice view. You can enjoy your food. Okay, thank you. We both not satisfied because of the wind condition and the weather, so we are looking for another viewpoint to fly a drone. This is the most gorgeous and beautiful landscape and the viewpoint I ever gone on a road trip. Nothing can come close to the view right now. We found another viewpoint. It is called OMC viewpoint. It is located 750 meters above the sea level and it is beautiful. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in next video soon. Thank you.